The Boosting Productivity with AI Skill Sprint shows you how to use AI as a practical partner in your everyday work. Artificial intelligence is already shaping how work gets done, but many people are only using a fraction of what it can offer. What if your workday felt more streamlined, more focused, and easier to move through? You'll start by learning how to communicate effectively with AI, then build towards more structured workflows and explore how automation can support how work gets done across teams. From drafting emails and creating content to generating ideas, presentations, and improving everyday processes, you'll gain hands-on experience using AI in ways that are directly relevant to your role. This skill sprint is designed for professionals across industries who want to work more effectively with AI. No technical background or coding experience is required. Delivered live online in just 6 hours across 3 weeks, it's a focused way to build practical skills and start applying them straight away. Boost your productivity with AI. Build momentum in your career with UCD Professional Academy Skill Sprints.